In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board template with reset statuses. First, go to monday.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, head straight to the left sidebar, because that's where you'll find the board you want to use as the template for your duplicate. Now, hover your mouse over the board you want to duplicate. When you do that, you should see a three-dot menu appear next to the board name. Click those three dots to open the board options. This menu gives you access to several actions for that board, and the one you want here is Duplicate Board. After you click Duplicate Board, a setup window will appear. This is where you control how the new board will be created. Start by entering a name for the new board. Choose something clear so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to use this as a reusable template for future projects, teams, or workflows. Next comes the most important setting if your goal is to reset the statuses. Select Structure Only. This option duplicates the board layout without bringing over the existing item data, which means your status columns and other tracked progress fields will be reset for a fresh start. That makes it ideal when you want to reuse the same setup without carrying over old work. If you want the same people to stay connected to the duplicated board, look for the option called Keep Board Subscribers and enable it if needed. This is useful if the same team members should automatically have access to the new board. If not, you can leave it off and add subscribers later. Once everything looks right, click Duplicate. Monday.com will begin creating the new board. Depending on the size of the original board and your workspace speed, this may take a few moments, so just give it a second to finish. When the new board appears, that means the duplication is complete. You now have a fresh board based on the original structure, with statuses reset and ready to use. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to open the duplicated board right away and double-check that the structure looks the way you expected. Make sure the groups, columns, and permissions match your intended setup before you start working in it. This can save time and prevent confusion later, especially if this board will be shared with others. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a Monday.com board template using the Structure Only option, which gives you a clean version of the board without the old status progress carrying over. Congratulations! And you're ready to start using your new board.